Hello, my loves! Today we are talking about something super exciting. We are talking about rainbow makeup. Wow, it is so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant and they just pop. Rainbow makeup is when you use many bright colors. You put them on your eyes or even your face. It's like having a rainbow right on your skin. It looks like a real rainbow. Imagine carrying that beauty with you everywhere. So many people love this look. It's a trend that's here to stay. You see it everywhere. On Instagram, on TikTok, and in magazines. It's all over social media. It is perfect for parties, for festivals, or just for fun. It's a look that can fit any occasion. It makes you feel happy and bright. It's like wearing a smile on your face. I love how creative you can be with all the colors. The possibilities are endless. It's like painting a beautiful picture, but on your face. Your face becomes a canvas. Rainbow makeup is not as hard as it looks, I promise. Anyone can try it. It's all about having fun. Yes, even you, my sweet beginners. Don't be afraid to experiment. You just need a little bit of practice. Practice makes perfect, as they say. And you need the right colors and tools. Having the right brushes and palettes can make a big difference. We will talk all about those things today. I'll share all my tips and tricks. I want you to feel like a makeup artist, confident and creative. I want you to have fun with makeup. It's all about expressing yourself. Makeup should always be fun. It's a way to play with colors and styles. It is a way to show who you are. Your personality shines through your makeup. So, if you love colors and you love to shine, then rainbow makeup is for you. It's your time to sparkle. Get ready to learn all my secrets for the best rainbow look ever. I can't wait to share them with you. Let's get started on this colorful journey, my beautiful people. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, my loves, first things first. Let's dive into the magical world of makeup tools. To create beautiful rainbow makeup, you need some magic tools. These tools are essential for achieving that perfect look. These tools will help you put the makeup on perfectly, ensuring every detail is just right. Think of them as your magic wands. With a flick of your wrist, you can transform your look. The most important tools are your makeup brushes. They come in various shapes and sizes, each with a unique purpose. You will need a few different kinds. Each brush is designed for a specific task, so having a variety is key. A flat eyeshadow brush is great for packing on color. It helps you apply a lot of pigment to your eyelid. This means putting a lot of color on your eyelid so it looks bright and vibrant, making your eyes pop. You will also need a fluffy blending brush. This brush is essential for creating a seamless look. This brush is super important for making the colors mix together softly. No harsh lines, okay? Blending is key to a flawless finish. Next up in your kit should be some good quality makeup sponges. They are versatile and can be used in many ways. A small, damp beauty sponge can be amazing. It helps in blending makeup seamlessly into your skin. It can help you blend colors too, ensuring a smooth transition between shades. It can also help if you make a little mistake. Just dab and blend to correct any errors. You can use it to gently pat and fix things. It's a lifesaver for those tiny mishaps. Some people like to use sponges for their foundation first. This technique ensures an even and smooth base. This makes a smooth canvas for your rainbow art. A flawless base is crucial for vibrant makeup. Also, don't forget cotton swabs, or Q-tips as some call them. These are lifesavers. They are perfect for precision work. They are perfect for cleaning up edges. If you go outside the lines, a Q-tip can fix it. Or for making a sharp line if you want one. They are great for creating precise details. They are so handy, you must have them. Keep a few in your kit for emergencies. Then we can move on to the pretty colors. With the right tools, you're ready to create your masterpiece. Now for the super fun part, my beautiful people, the products. For rainbow makeup, you need colors, lots of colors. The main thing is an eyeshadow palette. You need one with many bright rainbow shades. Look for palettes that have reds, oranges, yellows, greens, blues, and purples. Matte eyeshadows are great for blending. Shimmery or glitter eyeshadows can add some sparkle. I love sparkle. You can use both. A good palette will have pigmented colors. This means the color is strong and shows up well on your skin. Next, you need a good eyeshadow primer. This is a secret weapon, my loves. Primer goes on your eyelids before the eyeshadow. It makes a smooth base. It helps the eyeshadow stay on longer. It also makes the colors look brighter and more vibrant. Do not skip this step, okay? It makes a huge difference. Your rainbow will look amazing all day long. Before we paint our rainbows, we must prepare our canvas. Your beautiful skin. Skincare is super important, my loves. Always start with a clean face. Wash your face gently with your favorite cleanser. This removes any dirt or old makeup. Then, pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Don't rub too hard. Be gentle with your precious skin. Clean skin helps your makeup look smooth. It also helps prevent breakouts. So, clean skin is happy skin, and happy skin is the best base for makeup. After cleansing, it's time to moisturize. Yes, even if you have oily skin. Everyone needs moisturizer. It keeps your skin soft and hydrated. Makeup looks much better on hydrated skin. It will not look dry or cakey. Choose a moisturizer that is good for your skin type. Apply it gently all over your face and neck. Let it sink in for a few minutes before you start your makeup. This little step makes a big, big difference. Your skin will thank you, and your rainbow will look even more amazing. Now let's talk about primer for your face. Section 5. Painting your first rainbow stripe. Let's start. Okay, my amazing artists, it is time to paint. We have our tools, our products, and our skin is ready. Let's start with the first color of our rainbow. Usually, rainbows start with red or pink on the inner part of your eye, but you can choose your own order. For this guide, let's start with a beautiful red or a hot pink. Take your flat eyeshadow brush. Dip it into your chosen red or pink eyeshadow. Tap off any extra powder from the brush. This helps prevent fallout. Now, gently pat this first color onto the inner corner of your eyelid. Pat, pat, pat. Don't swipe too much at first. Patting helps the color stick well. It also makes the color look very bright and strong. You want that first stripe to be visible and vibrant. You can build up the color slowly. Add a little more if you want it to be more intense. Cover about 1/3 of your eyelid with this first color. Section 6. Blending like a dream, mixing your colors. Now for the magic part, my darlings, blending. This is where the real artistry begins. After your first color, let's say red, it's time for the next one. Red is bold and vibrant, a perfect starting point. Orange is a classic choice after red. It complements the red beautifully and adds warmth. Clean your flat eyeshadow brush or use a new one. This ensures the colors stay true and don't muddy. Pick up your orange eyeshadow. Tap off the extra. You don't want too much product on your brush. Now pat the orange color right next to the red. Be gentle but firm. You want the two colors to touch. This is crucial for a seamless blend. Pat it onto the middle part of your eyelid. This placement is key for a balanced look. Make this orange stripe about the same width as your red stripe. Consistency is important. So now you have red, then orange. It's starting to come together. This is where your fluffy blending brush comes in. It's essential for a soft, diffused look. This brush is your best friend for soft rainbows. It makes blending a breeze. Take your clean, fluffy blending brush. Clean tools make all the difference. Very gently start to brush where the red and orange colors meet. Gentle strokes are key. Use small, light circular motions. This helps to soften the edges. Or you can use little back and forth windshield wiper motions. Both techniques work well. The goal is to make the line between red and orange disappear. You want a smooth transition. You want them to melt into each other. This creates a beautiful gradient effect. So it looks like red softly turns into orange. The blend should be seamless. This is blending. It takes a little practice, but you will get it. Keep at it. After orange, what comes next? Yellow, of course. It's the next step in our rainbow. So clean your brush again, or take another one. Clean brushes are crucial for vibrant colors. Pick up your yellow eyeshadow. Get ready to add the next beautiful hue to your masterpiece. Section 7. Finishing your masterpiece. The full rainbow. We are almost there, my rainbow creators. After yellow, we continue with our beautiful colors. Next up is green. Get your green eyeshadow ready. Use your flat brush to pat the green next to the yellow. Make sure they are touching. Then take your amazing fluffy blending brush. You know what to do. Gently blend the line where yellow meets green. Soft, light motions are key. We want that smooth flow from one color to the next. Your eyelid is now a beautiful canvas of red, orange, yellow, and green. So vibrant. After green, it's time for blue. Blue is such a gorgeous color. Pick your favorite blue eyeshadow. Pat it on next to the green. This will be towards the outer part of your eyelid. Again, make sure the green and blue colors are right next to each other. Section 8. Secrets from the pros, tips, and no-nos. My loves, I want to share some extra secrets with you. These are tips from professional makeup artists. These will help your rainbow makeup look even more amazing. First, use good quality brushes. I know I said it before, but it is so important. Good brushes pick up color better. They also blend much more smoothly. You don't need super expensive brushes, but try to get a decent set. Clean your brushes regularly too. Dirty brushes can make colors look muddy, and they are not good for your skin. Another pro tip is to build your colors slowly. Don't put too much eyeshadow on your brush at once. It is easier to add more color if you need it. It is much harder to take away color if you put too much. So start with a little bit, pat it on, blend it. Then, if you want it brighter or darker, add another thin layer. This is called layering. Section 9. You are a rainbow star. Practice and care. You did it, my beautiful rainbow stars. You learned how to create amazing rainbow makeup. I am so proud of you for trying. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun. Makeup is about playing with colors. It is about expressing your amazing personality. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different color combinations. Try different shapes. Maybe a rainbow eyeliner or rainbow freckles? The possibilities are endless. Let your creativity shine super bright. Practice makes perfect, my loves. Your first try might not be exactly like the picture, and that is totally okay. My first tries were not perfect either. Nobody's are. The more you practice, the better you will get. You will learn how the colors work on your skin. You will learn how to blend them just right for you. So, keep practicing. Try it on a weekend when you have some free time. Put on some music and just play with your makeup. Enjoy the process of learning. Now, a very important reminder about skincare and safety. After you have enjoyed your beautiful rainbow look, you must remove it properly.